Hello everyone, welcome back to ServiceNow 911. In the series of web services, we are discussing direct web services today. Okay, so let's go. So a direct web service is something which exposes ServiceNow tables, fields and methods directly to the third party. So you can say that direct web services are coming under inbound web services, okay, that we have already discussed. As it is an inbound, here a third party is requesting some data, some information from ServiceNow, and ServiceNow is responding using WSDL when we talk in case of SOAP. Here we are directly exposing the tables. So let me show you. So here you see, if I write WSDL here, you can see a complete file. Okay, so this file is having all the functions like get records. These all are the functions or methods which the third party will use, and in these methods you can see all the fields as well, all the fields which are there in the incident form or incident table. Okay, so when the third party need to integrate, we just have to provide this URL. Okay, they will use this particular WSDL, and using any of this method they can do the processing. Okay, like get records, it means to get the records from ServiceNow table, that is incident, it will use this particular method. In the same way we can use any of these methods. All these methods are out of box. Okay, so here you see update. If you want to update any record in ServiceNow table, you can use this particular option, this particular method. They just need to use that particular WSDL and start integration. Okay, so this is all about direct web service. In the next video we will discuss some other type of web service. Till then, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.